December 31st. I think it's 1400 Pacific Standard Time. 32 degrees, 31 degrees, somewhere around there. Google weather said it was going to be mostly cloudy, but it's ice cold and breezy and beautiful. Nice. Alright, so yesterday I went to Oregon to pick this new little jewel up. This is a maintenance air compressor and pneumatic greaser. I don't know much about this machine. I'm going to have to find the technical maintenance manual. I turned my truck around so the sun's behind us, so we're not going to get a horrible glare from the sun. This front wheel is supposed to go on a bender trailer. You can see it's just stamped steel and then crudely welded. Pretty neat. And it's going to need a full restoration. I'm not a fan of this metallic green paint that's been brushed on. What little I do know about it is compressor head, Briggs & Stratton engine. It's a foot starter. The engine's free. It builds compression, so it'll run. My buddy is making a belt guard for it. Those things like that always seem to disappear. Looks like on this side, the right side of it, there's still an air hose and part of an air chuck that's broken. Looks to be like an original hose, and then there's supposed to be a hose that wraps around all these hooks on this side for the pneumatic grease gun. You may wonder where the air storage tank is. Cleverly designed. It's the tube frame. Buddy of mine in Southern California had one of these before I did, and his needs a restoration, and so does this one. I can see here that in the center of the frame looks like the part where you bleed the air out. So I'll be able to check the frame to make sure there aren't any pinholes by pressurizing the frame to see, to find out, and then spray bottle with soapy water will help that along. So there's a data plate on the other side of the engine. We're going to take a look at that next. Okay, I took a little bit of gasoline on a rag and cleaned the data plate a little bit, and it's still really hard to see. I can't see a date, but you can see this inlet tube here comes from the compressor head and goes to the frame. Oh, here it is. And then what's left of this air chuck and an original pressure gauge. And I was able to look into the fuel tank here, and it's pretty clean in there. It's not bad. So it's a good little find. Just gonna need some TLC cleanup, paint. I may have to lap the valves. I don't know. Looks like it's been stored inside for a long time. But that green paint's gotta go. Anyway, that's it. 2022 coming up in a few short hours. had a pretty blessed 2021. I want to say thanks to my subscribers and everybody who does view my channel. Oh look, there's another air drain right here. How about that? And appreciate you guys. You know, I'm just tinkering on stuff. I mean, I'm kind of amazed that you guys even watch this crap. But hey, it's interesting to me. It's interesting to other people too. So 2022, bring it on. I heard a viewer on another channel say a new year to do better and have more fun, live life to its fullest, because you never know when it's going to end. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and see you next year. Later.